Hello, we are finally outside and today we will check this soldering iron made by FNIRSI. So, FNIRSI HS-03. And while I was testing this soldering iron, I I was a little creative. I made this a little motorcycle using components. So here we have a few crystal oscillators, LED capacitor, header pins, another capacitor, and these two are piezo buzzers. A few months ago I showed you this set, which is my main soldering iron, which is HS-02, which is powered with USB-C cable or. And now we have similar but cordless version. This is my first cordless soldering iron. It is powered by 18650 battery, and what is great, battery can be easily removed and replaced. I will show you how later. It came in this nice card box, and inside it was this hard carrying case, which feels really solid and good quality. So let's take a look what we have inside. We have some manuals, stickers and warranty. We have charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. We have few spare screws. We have three tip. This is tip I used. And of course soldering iron and this cover, which is great when you need to cool it down. I will power it off with K button. It have nice screen and it says please connect the tip. It is very easy to connect tip, and I will press OK. With this fast dial I can choose these presets: 250, 300, 350, 400 and 450. But I can even fine tune temperature using these two buttons. Okay, let's see how it works. I don't know, can you see this, but this was really easy. To be honest, I don't like soldering a lot because the fumes and smell, and room in my basement don't have good ventilation, so doing this outside is much better. Let's try to solder a few. Okay, I added few modules or components here on this board. And now let's try to solder. It is hard to record this with camera, but I hope you will get the point. So very easy and fast. So it works really well. Let's try to thin these wires. Also very nice job and very easy. And when we are finished, I can turn it off by holding OK button, and I can put this cap and leave it to cool. Here is included screwdriver here, which is used to remove, to change battery and changing batteries really easy. So this is standard 18650 battery, 2600 milliamp hours. Like we can see on box, power is 10 watts, but it reaches desired temperature very fast. I will here insert cold tip, new one, and 350, and it need only few seconds. For 450, and now it will cool down to 300. I think FNIRSI made a great job in this field of soldering irons. Um, Many people already have and use this one, and this is my favorite soldering iron, but it needs USB-C adapter, and it has larger tips and much more power. But for soldering small components, and if you are on the field at work, or you don't need space, or you don't want to carry wires, or you don't have or you don't have place to plug it, this is great solution, and I will probably use it a lot. Thank you. Goodbye.